Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful pattern in the series Granny Square. It is titled as Filigree Rosette motif, and this is worked with 3 colors, and you can work with single color too, or you can use a multicolor yarn and work too. So without much delay, let us go into the video friends. Chain 4, slip stitch to the first chain and form a ring, and place 8 single crochets inside. Before that, chain 1 and place 8 singles inside the ring. I shall place 8 singles and get back. Slip stitch and join to the very first stitch here, SC. Now pull up to the height of DC or chain 3, pull up and make chain 3. I generally prefer to make the standing double crochet, so insert the hook, chain 1 and then make your first double here, then chain 2, 1 double in the next single. So continue this, chain 2, 1 double in the next, so you will have 8 doubles and 8 chain 2 spaces. And once you complete that, you slip stitch to the first stitch and fasten this off. I have slip stitched to the first DC that I made, and I am fastening this off. This won't be visible, so you can fasten this off. You have no more work to do with this color. Take the second color with the right side facing, join the second color, slip stitch and join to any chain 2 space. After joining, make a treble or chain 4 and consider it as a treble. So I have done once, sorry, it's got twisted, and now I have 2 loops. Now just twist it around and then insert the hook and pull up the loop. So this is to the height of a treble here. Place 1 more treble in this chain 2 space, in the same chain 2 space. We will come back and place the third treble for this. Then chain 1, place 3 trebles in the next chain 2 space. So every chain 2 space is going to have 3 trebles. The sets of 3 trebles are separated by 1 chain. So continue this all around. I shall meet you where I began the stitch pattern. I've come to the end of this round here. Now I need to chain 1 and place my first treble to complete the stitch here. So 3 trebles. So now you can slip stitch and join and fasten off. So do the invisible slip stitch, invisible join rather, and hide the yarn behind. So this is done. Now we'll be back with color 3 for 2 more rounds. With right sides facing, join your third color yarn to any of the first trebles of the 3 trebles here with a slip stitch. And place a first single crochet here, and in the second treble, the middle treble, place 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1 single crochet, and in the next treble 1 single crochet, under chain space, 1 single, chain 8, and a single. So this is the stitch repeat over every 3 trebles and the chain 1 space. So continue this repeat all over. I shall meet you where I began. I have come to the end of this round here. Now instead of cutting the yarn and rejoining, what I am going to do is chain 4, because this is going to be our first corner. Chain 4 and make a treble in the first single crochet, so that we bring the yarn to the center of the chain space. So we brought it to the center of the chain space, and now chain 1 and then make 3 doubles instead of 4 doubles, 3 doubles, because we will end up with a double here. Chain 2 and place a double in chain 3 space, chain 2, place a single in the chain 8 space, chain 2, again place a double in the chain 3 space, chain 2. In the corner you're going to make 4 doubles, chain 3, 4 doubles. Chain 3 and 4 doubles. In the first corner I began only with the 3 doubles, these 3 doubles. I am going to end up this corner with 4 doubles, chain 3 and a double, and go over to the next round. Okay, so this is the repeat stitch repeat pattern. From the corner, chain 2, a double in chain 3, chain 2, a single in the chain 8 space, chain 2, double in chain 3, chain 2, and then the corner. So repeat these stitch instructions on the other 3 sides, and when you come to this point I'll tell you what to do. We've come to the end of this round here. I've chained 2. Now place 4 doubles to complete the first corner. After 4 doubles we need to make 3 chains, and we did only 3 doubles to begin with, so we are going to make 1 more double here. So this completes the first corner that we made. And now slip stitch and join here to the very first stitch. You may do the invisible slip stitch, and I'll make the invisible slip stitch and get back. I've inserted the hook from behind and pulled the loop from front to back. Now let me pick up my working yarn and pull it tight. So this being done, having done this, now this is going to be a single crochet round, so we're going to place 1 single crochet on each of the stitches and 2 singles in chain 2 spaces. So continue till the other corner. When you come to the corner, place 2 singles, chain 2, 2 singles. So let me come to this corner by placing 1 single crochet on each of the stitches. So begin the single crochet in the stitch where we did our slip stitch, and 2 singles in the chain 2 space, 1 single and next double. If you feel there are too many single crochets, then you can avoid placing the singles on the doubles and straight away go over to the next chain 2 space, so that it will straighten out your sides. So let me avoid that. So I am placing only 2 singles in chain 2 spaces. The single crochet round is just to straighten out the sides, nothing else. And after that you can do a slip stitch round also. So this is how it will appear. See, this is straightening out better. Then we place the single crochet on the stitches. It will curl up or wobble. Okay, let me come to the end. And in the corner place 2 single crochets, chain 2 and 2 single crochets. So we are not placing any single crochet on the DC, single crochet and DC. In the chain 2 spaces we are placing 2 single crochets, and here we will have to place 1 single crochet on each of the stitches. So continue the stitch pattern, single crochet in chain 2 spaces, single crochet on the DCs, 2 singles, chain 2 singles in the corners, continue all around. I shall meet you where I began here. We've come to the end of the round here. I've placed my last single crochet. Now I'll cut the yarn and do my invisible join. So we started our single crochet here. So let me go over to the next single crochet. From behind, pick up this yarn, pull it out from front to back. Now pull, and this is the last single crochet we did. So from behind the back loop, insert your hook, pick up this yarn and pull through. So your invisible join at the end is done. And here we go. We have completed the filigree rosette square under the series Granny Squares. Hope you liked this video, friends. Do post your feedback in the comments section. If you have any queries also, you can post in the comments section. Do subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Like and share the videos too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video, friends. Have a great day. Bye for now.